Welcome back to Safe Lane USA. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross, a compact SUV that's been turning heads globally thanks to its stylish design, smart features, and practical value. Whether you're looking for a reliable family ride or a daily driver with SUV flexibility, the 2025 Corolla Cross has a lot to offer. So, let's get straight into the review. On the outside, the 2025 Corolla Cross carries forward Toyota's modern design language with some refreshing updates. At the front, it gets a sharper, more aggressive grille design and sleeker LED headlights that give it a confident, upscale look. The redesigned bumper adds a bit of sportiness, while the overall silhouette remains compact and urban-friendly. The profile is enhanced with body-colored cladding and stylish 18-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim. Around the back, you'll notice a more sculpted rear with slimmer LED taillights and a refined spoiler. The black color option really brings out the contrast and adds a premium touch, especially when showcased in a luxury showroom or city setting. Step inside, and the 2025 Corolla Cross greets you with a cabin that blends comfort with intelligent technology. The materials have seen an upgrade, especially in the higher trims, with soft touch panels and a more refined dashboard layout. Front and center is a large 10.5-inch infotainment touchscreen on select trims, offering wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster now stretches up to 12.3 inches, giving you a clean, futuristic interface. Seating is spacious for a vehicle in this class, with available leather upholstery, powered driver's seat, and rear air vents making it comfortable for passengers in all rows. There's also practical cargo space in the back, and the split folding. Seats make it easy to haul gear when needed. Under the hood, the 2025 Corolla Cross comes with two engine options. The gas-powered model features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 169 horsepower paired with a CVT transmission. It's smooth and efficient, ideal for city and highway drives. For those looking for even better fuel economy and all-wheel drive capability, the hybrid version is the way to go. It delivers a combined 196 horsepower and impressive fuel economy, around 42 miles per gallon combined, which is excellent for a compact SUV. The hybrid system is responsive and quiet, making the drive feel effortless, especially in urban traffic. Toyota continues to prioritize safety, and the Corolla Cross is equipped with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 across all trims. That includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and more. It's clear Toyota wants you to feel confident and secure behind the wheel. Now, when it comes to pricing, the Corolla Cross remains a strong value. In the US, the base L trim starts around $24,000, while the top-tier XLE goes up to about $28,000. The hybrid versions start slightly higher, with the S trim beginning at around $28,400 and rising for the SE and XSE trims, depending on added features. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Cross is a versatile, well-rounded SUV that delivers comfort, tech, efficiency, and safety in a stylish package. If you're in the market for a compact crossover that feels much more premium than its price tag suggests, this is one to seriously consider. Thanks for watching.